Hi, Dylan. You're so awake.
Mutations are natural. Kelly's body is rejecting it. His cells began to break down and us immediately.
What effect does radiation have on you? But I feel we'll see it.
Can you get a smile out of him?
I'm trying.
Oh.
You got hard with the hiccups, I think.
Yeah.
Wait a second. You said this machine draws its power from Magneto. And that it weakens it. Yes. In fact, the enemy killed. It's going to transfer his power over to use that machine. Is somebody there? Please stop.
Oh, found his nose. Found his nose. Don't do that, you'll sketch yourself.
Uh-oh. Hard to yawn when you have hiccups, huh? Okay, that's enough for now, huh?